easiest way to make chicken tikka masala at home. So, you know, all you fellas out there, if you want to impress your ladies and cook a nice Indian meal, I'll show you how it's done. I'm going to show you the ingredients first. You're going to need some breast chicken cut up nicely. These are the ingredients here, you can see. We're going to need about a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of mixed powder. We've got about 1 teaspoon, a heapful teaspoon of turmeric powder. You're going to need some sugars. It's about 4 ounces here. 4.5 ounces of almond powder. You're going to need about 2 ounces of coconut powder, some pineapple, and some red colouring. That's up to you if you want to add the colouring, or you can just leave it natural. We've got some cinnamon, some bay leaves, and some cardamom. That's going to go with the dish. And we've also got some already so we've got pre-blended onions, coriander, and lemon, already made a paste for the masala. Okay, so let's get cracking. First of all, what we're going to do, we're going to mix the chicken. The easiest way to do it at home, what I'll do is put some, this is the tikka paste marinade. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a nice little mix. This is the tikka paste that is used to make the chicken tikka. I can understand that, you know, at home you can't really make the chicken tikka, as it's very hard to make at home. So this is probably the best chance that you can get to make chicken tikka at home. Just marinate it in. Guys, let's get started. I'm going to heat up the pan a little bit. This is butter ghee. I'm going to add about half spoon butter ghee. You can also add vegetable oil or just normal butter at home if you wish. And we're going to add some garlic and ginger paste. Left to add a little bit more ghee. Get another bit, a little bit more, probably another half a spoon. As you can see, garlic and ginger's already starting to go brown. What I'm going to do now is add the pre-blended onion, coriander, and lemon mix. So the way I'm cooking it, you don't really have to make a base gravy. You could just cook it as it is. So basically, it's the easiest way to make a chicken tikka masala at home without using base gravy. I'm just going to leave it to heat up a little bit, let the onions get a bit more softer. So we're going to add some salt. So the salt makes the onions go more soft and caramelizes the onions a little bit more. Now we're going to add the bay leaf, cinnamon, and 2 cardomons. And now we're going to put in the chopped up pineapples. You don't have to use pineapple if you don't want to, but it just gives it that extra little sweetness, extra little flavour of pineapple in the salad. So I'm just going to let it heat up for a little bit. I'll say about another 2 more minutes. So now we're going to add the chicken into the mix. Give it cook for probably say about 5 minutes on very slow heat. 5 minutes, what we're going to do is we're going to pick out the cinnamon stick and the Bayleaf and the cardamom seeds. Be very careful as it's very hot. It's been 5 minutes we've been cooking this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add mixed powder. Turmeric powder. Give it a nice little mix. Heat up a little bit more. So what I'm going to do now is always have some water ready, just to make the gravy a bit more thinner. There you go. As you can see, it's slowly starting to get more thicker. Now we're going to add some tomato puree, about half a spoon right here, straight in there. I'd say let it cook for another 5 more minutes on very slow heat. So guys, it's been about 5 minutes now. We're going to add the remaining ingredients. As you can see, we're going to add sugar. We've got about just under 4 ounces of sugar here. Put all of it in. You can add more if you'd like more, make it more sweeter. Add the coconut powder, almond powder. The red food colouring. Like I said, you can add the food colouring, it's up to you, or you can even cook it without it. The taste is not going to really make a big difference anyway. Add some water just to make it a bit more thinner. Let it cook for another 5 more minutes on very slow heat. As you can see, the colours come out. I'm sure the flavour has as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some UHT dairy single cream. I'd recommend this cream because it's got a longer shelf life. So we're going to add about 1 full spoon. If you would like to make it more creamy, you can always add more cream to it. Now, as you can see, the sauce has become really thick. Now, if you like the sauce to be a bit more thinner than this, just add a little bit more water. There you go. Add a little bit more cream. Cook for another 2 more minutes on very slow heat, and we'll come back to it. So it's been about 2 minutes now. and the masala is ready to serve. So guys, there you go. That's the masala done. Most easiest and simplest way to cook chicken tikka masala at home. If you would like, you can add some coriander just to give it a little bit nice garnish on top. Give it that extra little flavour. So there you go, guys. So guys, this is the home style chicken tikka masala all ready for you. You can enjoy it at home. So make sure you like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again.